In 1949, Donald Hebb published The Organization of Behavior, a groundbreaking book that reshaped our understanding of how the brain supports learning, memory, and behavior. Hebb, a Canadian psychologist, introduced a bold idea: the brain is not a static machine but a dynamic system shaped by experience. His work bridged psychology and neuroscience, offering a framework to explain how neural networks enable complex behaviors. At its core, the book argues that the mind emerges from the physical activity of neurons, challenging the behaviorist view that ignored internal brain processes. Hebb's most famous contribution is his learning rule, often summarized as, neurons that fire together wire together. This principle suggests that when two neurons are activated simultaneously, the connection between them strengthens. Over time, these strengthened connections form what Hebb called cell assemblies, networks of neurons that represent ideas, memories, or perceptions. For example, when you hear a song and feel nostalgic, it's because the sensory input triggers a cell assembly linking the music to past experiences. This idea was revolutionary, providing a biological basis for learning and memory that still influences neuroscience today. Another key concept in the book is the distinction between short-term and long-term memory. Hebb proposed that fleeting experiences create temporary neural patterns, while repeated activation stabilizes these patterns into lasting memories. This laid the groundwork for modern theories of memory consolidation. Hebb also explored how early experiences shape brain development, suggesting that enriched environments could enhance neural connections, a finding later confirmed in studies of neuroplasticity. Hebb's work wasn't without flaws. His theories relied heavily on speculation, as the tools to directly observe neural activity were limited in 1949. Yet, his ideas were remarkably prescient, anticipating discoveries in neural networks and artificial intelligence. The organization of behavior remains a cornerstone in psychology, inspiring fields like cognitive science and machine learning. By connecting the biological and psychological, Hebb showed that behavior is not just a response to stimuli but a product of the brain's remarkable ability to adapt and reorganize itself.